In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research YouTube channels in the Georgia real estate niche and organize the results clearly in a spreadsheet. We'll be focusing on three search phrases: Atlanta real estate, moving to Georgia, and Savannah homes. The goal is to find relevant YouTube channels, narrow the results so you're looking specifically at channels, and then record useful details in either Excel or Google Sheets for easy review later. Start by going to YouTube and searching for the first phrase, Atlanta real estate. Once the results load, use the filter option and choose channel. This is important because it removes videos from the results and helps you focus only on creators and businesses with dedicated channels. After filtering, look through the list carefully and identify channels that are clearly related to the topic. As you review each channel, log the channel name and subscriber count into your spreadsheet. If a public contact email is available, add that as well. Keep your spreadsheet neat and consistent so it's easy to sort and compare later. A simple layout with columns for channel name, subscriber count, contact email, and region works well. If a contact email is not publicly visible, just leave that field blank rather than guessing or adding incomplete information. Next, repeat the same process for the search term moving to Georgia. Again, search the phrase, apply the channel filter, and review the results one by one. Add each relevant channel's name, subscriber count, and any public contact email into your sheet. Try to stay consistent in how you enter information, especially with channel names and subscriber counts, so your final list is clean and usable. Then move on to the third search phrase, Savannah homes. Search it on YouTube, filter by channel, and capture the same details from each relevant result. At this stage, you should have a growing list of channels from across different parts of Georgia. Once all three searches are complete, sort the channels by region. Separate Metro Atlanta channels from coastal or rural regions. For example, channels centered on Atlanta and its surrounding suburbs should go into the Metro Atlanta category, while Savannah and other non-Atlanta markets can be grouped under coastal or rural regions depending on their focus. By the end, you'll have an organized spreadsheet of YouTube channels in the Georgia real